They're so cute.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Alright, so today it is Sunday and we are invited to come to New Life Church. So, see if I can show you guys. New Life Fellowship. And apparently they're going to be doing a translation for us and everything like that. And then after some, we're going to have some free time to go shopping. So. We can use Wi-Fi and then actually we get a transcription into English of the sermon that's in Khmer.
Chiều bữa bây giờ sổ lạnh chứ.
Super busy church here in Cambodia. So there are a lot of Christians here. It's really interesting, and they actually had that amazing audio thing so I could hear everything translated directly into English, which is a real treat. They also had a few other languages too, so if you speak Spanish, they had a translator for that too, but other than that, just have to imagine what they're saying. But the music was great and the sermon was good. So yeah, interesting experience for sure. We are on our way to a cooking school where we're going to meet some of our partners who are setting up a kind of cooking class to help Precious Women, which is another organization that we saw the other day. So I'm actually really excited for this experience, and they're going to be teaching us how to cook some Khmer food, so Cambodian food, that's actually really cool and exciting. So I have no idea where we're going though. Okay, hi.
Go up.
Up. Crossroad Bible Institute. So I guess we're in a Bible school. Wow. It's like shocking. It's like night and day. Like you'll be in like a nice place like this, like they've got like nice clean floors and tiles, and then across the street it's like completely different, like a slum. Like it's just so imbalanced here. It's really crazy shocking. Jamrik Sua. Wow. So they've actually prepared a delicious looking meal for us. Have a seat? Okay, thank you so much. It looks really good. Yummy. Wow.
Amazing.
Yes. Say your name. How old are you? Hello, I am Nat.
Hi.
I am 21 years old. I am a teaching assistant here.
Awesome.
Hello, my name is Janku.
Hi.
I am 25 years old. Now I am a volunteer. I stay here and study at the university.
What do you study?
Civil engineering.
Oh, fantastic.
Wow, cool.
And do you also, have you done the training here as well? Or do you also cook? Or
No, no.
No? Okay.
Sometimes I teach English.
Okay.
Yeah. I teach them English sometimes. But now I got some training outside, so no time for like helping here. Yeah.
Okay.
But
So,
my name is Kinko. I am 27 years old.
what does she do here? What's her?
She is a cook, but she stay here, but she work outside.
Okay.
As a cook in the restaurant.
Okay. Which restaurant?
Now they open a new restaurant. Now she is working in Chiang.
Dad?
Yeah.
Is that a restaurant?
Chiang. It is a restaurant on the riverside.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Is it Cambodian food or Western?
Cambodian food and Western.
Okay. Okay.
But she know more about Western.
Chamripsua.
My name is Seitan. I am 19 years old. Yeah. Now I am a student here.
Where's he from?
Maui. He come from Bung Thong province.
Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay.
Chamripsua.
I am 21 years old. I am a volunteer.
Oh, great.
Okay. Oh, so you went through this program already? Oh, okay. Do you also work somewhere else?
Yeah.
ก็สู้ท่านไหนก็สู้ท่านบ้านเรียนหนึ่งนั้นจอบหนึ่งนั้นเรียนจอบหนึ่งนั้น
I see. I see.
So that was a really nice meal. What they do here is they have a 6-month program where they teach people under the age 25 who are single how to have skills like cooking, computers, English. So they really teach a wide variety of different kinds of life skills so that when they actually are able to go out into the world, they have those skill sets that maybe they can get a job as a cook or a job working in some kind of computer office. So it's really exciting to see that kind of innovation. They haven't been around for that long, but they do have a big vision for the school. So they're actually moving out of this building in a few months and getting a bigger building. They also have dormitories here. So what happens is the people, they come and they make a 6-month commitment and they actually live on the premises for those 6 months. And then afterwards they graduate and they go out into the world and get a real job, which is really awesome. So this is some of the little neighborhood that's outside of the cooking school. It's really interesting. To really kind of see how people are living out here. There's always so many kids on scooters with no helmets. Nobody ever has helmets. It's nice to be able to just get out and go for a little walk around, check some things out. It's totally different here than any other country I've ever been to. Like the lifestyle here is so different. The way people live and the lack of money and hygiene and all these things like really hit home for me, especially living in, you know, North America and just having so much what now I refer to as like privilege for sure. It's really interesting to see this kind of lifestyle. And it's really simple and it's really nice and pleasant and everybody's really happy. I think they're getting a lot of vitamin D. Which one? I'm so cute. Let's go say hi to them. Chamripsua! I don't know if you can see them, but there's two little kids. No, you can't see them. So a lot of the houses are on stilts in Cambodia to prevent flooding, and then what they have is the kitchen is underneath. So you can see here's a kind of classic style house on stilts. Hi! How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, very good English! So smart! How old are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome!
I speak Khmer.
Hmm?
No, I speak Khmer.
No, Khmer. Chamripsua. Akun? Bye! They're so cute. Oh my goodness. So we're wandering around and we ended up in somebody's neighborhood and people are so friendly. Chamripsua. Oh, there's like a little market here. It's cool here. Oh, bye. Where's he going? Like a interesting bird's eye view of what it looks like around here. Chamripsua. There's a little alley pathway out to the street. All my Khmer I know is Chamripsua. Okay, so the only Khmer I know is Chamripsua, which is hi, and Akun, which is thank you. So that's what I've been saying to everybody. Next time I come back, I'm gonna have to learn more. Hello, Chamripsua! Hi! Everybody's so nice here. And people seem to be okay with me filming, which is fun. Chamripsua! Hello! Oh, our friends! Hello! So many now! Oh! That dog is scary. Ah! That one looks mean. Let's run away! Run away! Hi! That dog was angry. Yeah, we should go back. Bye-bye! Our group of friends in the back. Bye! Bye! Oh my goodness, they're so cute. And one of their English was really good, so they probably are learning in the schools, which is really nice. Sweat's just pouring down my face, but so much to see. So much to see and experience. I love it. You gotta be careful with your camera though. I'm keeping it wrapped around my wrist just in case somebody drives by on a scooter and yanks it away. You gotta be really careful of your stuff. Hi! How are you? Hello!